Imagine holding the future of vlogging right in your hand. A camera that's small, sleek, and packed with technology that once seemed impossible. The Insta3 Luna is no longer just a concept or a whisper on tech forums. Thanks to a recent leak, shared on February 26, 2026, by the trusted insider Igor Bogdanov, we finally have a hands-on look at what might be one of the most exciting compact cameras of the year. Filmed outdoors in what looks like urban Hong Kong, the footage confirms that Luna isn't just a prototype. It's a near-finished product, already being tested in real-world conditions, and it's ready to shake up the creator world. From the very first glance, Luna's design stands out. Compact yet ergonomic, every control seems thoughtfully placed. The dedicated grip fits naturally in the hand, giving creators quick access without constantly adjusting their hold. The thumb and index finger sit perfectly on the main controls, making it clear that Insta3 is targeting vloggers and solo creators who need speed, precision, and convenience. The rotating touchscreen flips out below the gimbal, offering swipe gestures for live previews, zoom control, menu navigation, and access to quick settings. What's really impressive is the AI-based live tracking in action. Subjects are followed automatically, panning smoothly in real time. It's like having a professional camera operator built right into your pocket. The hands-on footage also shows the circular record button perfectly positioned for instant operation. A quick press starts or stops 4K recording. A long press probably activates burst mode or cancels shooting. Beneath the thumb sits a joystick-style directional control that lets you move the gimbal manually, navigate menus, adjust the field of view, or even override framing. The dedicated zoom controls work alongside this, offering up to 3 times optical zoom between the wide-angle and 70mm telephoto lenses. With real optical background blur instead of software trickery, this could be a game-changer for creators seeking cinematic shots on the go. A power and mode button sits within easy reach for switching between single lens, dual lens, or preview modes. Even small details, like the red LED indicator on the grip showing recording status, battery level, and connectivity, suggest this camera was designed for creators who need every feature at their fingertips. Additional side switches allow lens switching instantly, keeping you focused on filming instead of fumbling through menus. The Luna story officially started earlier this year when Insta360's CEO, Lo Jing-kong, revealed the camera's name and its first image. A first-half 2026 launch was confirmed, and soon after, the official teaser highlighted the camera's dual-sensor depth performance. The background separation in that teaser looks stunningly natural, arguably even better than the DJI Pocket 3, and possibly outmatching the standard DJI Osmo Pocket 4, rumored to launch on March 26, 2026. Prototype leaks from January suggested a modular design with swappable lenses and partial disassembly. That flexibility could be a huge advantage for creators who want portability without compromising image quality. You could use just the camera module for light travel, then snap on lenses for more professional shots. Looking at the leaked specs, Luna is rumored to feature 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second, with 10-bit color depth, AI stabilization, real-time portrait modes, and depth enhancement. Dual processors are expected to handle automatic optimization and stabilization simultaneously. Wireless microphone integration seems likely, and the camera may come in multiple colors beyond black. Pricing is rumored between $400 and $600, depending on configuration. A standard version could include a single lens, while a pro version might have the full dual lens setup. Availability is expected to start in China and expand globally, but it seems clear that Insta360 is positioning Luna as a direct competitor to DJI's upcoming Pocket 4. Speaking of DJI, the leaks surrounding the Osmo Pocket 4 suggest serious competition is coming. Unlike blurry factory shots or incomplete prototypes, these recent hands-on clips from a DJI-authorized store in Kuala Lumpur show a polished, nearly final product. The vertical gimbal layout remains, keeping it instantly recognizable, compact, and travel-friendly. But the small refinements are where the Pocket 4 could shine. More physical buttons on the grip, for example, make operations smoother. You no longer need to constantly navigate on-screen menus. There's even an integrated LED light mounted on a small adjustable arm, a thoughtful addition for low-light shooting or indoor vlogging. Flip it out, angle it, and continue filming. Simple, practical, and exactly what creators need. The DJI Pocket 4 leak also revealed a mode called Super. While the name is reminiscent of GoPro's auto-enhancement features, it hints at advanced automatic image optimization for smoother, HDR-like footage with intelligent noise reduction. For everyday creators, this means better quality shots without digging into settings. It's clear from all of these leaks that both the Luna and the Pocket 4 are entering a highly competitive race. Luna appears finished and tested in real-world conditions, while DJI's device is polished and retail-ready. The upcoming launch window, possibly in March 2026, is shaping up to be an exciting showdown for creators who rely on compact cameras for vlogging, travel, or cinematic content.